In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Visa gift card to cash with PayPal or Venmo. Direct balance transfers aren't officially supported, but there are practical workarounds. Start by activating the card, checking the balance, and reviewing the card's terms. Register the card with your billing zip code on the issuer's site so it matches your account details. Because approval depends on the card brand and fraud checks, try a small amount first and expect possible fees. On PayPal, sign in and open wallet. Link the Visa gift card as a debit or credit card by entering the number, expiration date, and CVV. To cash out, select the gift card as the funding source and send money to a trusted contact or a secondary account you control. After it settles, have them refund the payment to your PayPal balance, then transfer that balance to your bank, instant for a fee around 1% or standard in 1 to 3 business days for free. If you don't want to send and refund, you can sell the card on a reputable marketplace that pays to PayPal, noting you'll get a discounted amount, often about 80 to 90% of face value. In Venmo, open the app and go to the U tab. Tap Settings, Payment Methods, Add Bank or Card, choose Card, and enter the gift card details once it's activated and the balance is confirmed. To move money, go to Manage Balance, tap Add Money, choose the gift card as the source, enter the amount, and confirm. Not all cards qualify for a direct add. If it fails, send money to a trusted friend using the gift card and have them refund it to your Venmo balance, then withdraw to your bank. Instant withdrawals may carry a fee, while standard bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days at no cost. A few final tips. Some prepaid visas trigger extra risk checks, so smaller amounts can help. Watch for fees on instant transfers or card-funded payments. If you want fewer reversals and predictable timing, selling through a well-known platform can be simpler than peer-to-peer methods, even if the payout is lower. And that's it. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more PayPal and Venmo tutorials.